Well, good afternoon, Northern Michigan, from your National Weather Service right here in Gaylord. Welcome to the latest Hazardous weather briefing for both northern lower and east upper Michigan. Today is Monday, the 3rd of June, 2013. Well, much like last night, frost is expected to develop across much of northern Michigan, with the coldest and most widespread frost expected to develop across north central and northeast lower Michigan, away from the immediate Great Lakes shorelines, as well as the interior regions of eastern upper Michigan. And that will occur from very late tonight through the early morning hours of Tuesday, resulting in damage to sensitive vegetation. As a result, a frost advisory has been issued for those areas to cover the late night and early Tuesday morning hours. You can see the system responsible for the cold weather as extensive area of Canadian high pressure is built southeast out of Canada across the northern Great Lakes. This pattern will change very little through the overnight hours, and by early morning high pressure remains centered right over northern Michigan. The cold air mass associated with this high pressure will combine with light winds and mainly clear skies to let temperatures plummet rather quickly this evening, with readings by early Tuesday morning likely in the low to mid 30s in the traditional colder locations, and mid to upper 30s to perhaps right around 40 near the Great Lakes shorelines. And that will result, those cold temperatures will result in that frost development very late tonight and early Tuesday. Now, dry weather will also prevail tonight through Tuesday. However, by Tuesday night into Wednesday, a weak area of low pressure developing across the central plains. You can see it here Wednesday morning over Iowa. We'll move close enough to the state to kick off some very light rain showers and sprinkles late Tuesday night through Wednesday, and perhaps lingering right on through Thursday, with the greatest threat of any decent rainfall expected over the south half of northern lower Michigan. However, as it looks now, rainfall amounts will remain very light, and precipitation will remain scattered through this period. And temperatures, however, will remain a touch on the cool side, with readings right through Wednesday generally highs in the 60s and lows Tuesday night dropping back down to the lower 40s. You look at our weather graphic, you can see frost developing across the interior regions of north central and northeast lower Michigan late tonight, and again across eastern upper Michigan with readings generally down into the 30s. And then dry weather will prevail for Tuesday, with a chance of very light rain returning Tuesday night through Thursday, and temperatures just a touch on the cool side of normal. Now, this concludes the Hazardous weather briefing for this afternoon. Thanks again for taking the time to listen. Your next update is expected around 5 a.m. tomorrow morning.